substance for the purpose of the term.
You mind if I use some of your bags for the marijuana and the gun as well?
Yeah, I'm gonna do all that. I got you.
Appreciate it.
27 is
18, 15, right here.
It begins like thousands of traffic stops before it. A suspicious vehicle, routine radio chatter, and officers trying to confirm what they're seeing. But then the driver makes his choice: speed over compliance. Within moments, this Buick transforms Atlanta's highways into a live pursuit zone, forcing law enforcement to shift instantly from observation to survival mode. Would you have predicted it escalates this fast?
Paul, 512, 639. I'm on the red Lincoln, MKZ. I'm gonna be 20 East and 1 more.
Charlie George Yankee 2218 CGY 2218. We are at exit 6.
18, right here. Oh, 10, 28. Still rolling. Walk past where we are. 25 miles per hour.
Now it's official. 1080 in progress. His suspect blasts through traffic, swerving across lanes and diving for connectors, trying to shake pursuing units before they can box him in. Officers discuss pit options, but congestion changes everything. This is where discipline matters most. One reckless move from either side could trigger disaster. Would you take the shot or wait?
10-4, US 410-3, it's still going. 24 Boulevard.
We just had that Boulevard. You should be 1080. Just trying to red light at Boulevard. Clear left.
705 Atlanta. I'm behind a PD unit 1080 getting off on stand by, getting back on 20 West, 20 West. It's Capitol's 1080. I'm taking primary 20 West back around the Hill Street. It's a Buick sedan. He's got to go to the jump on me. I was trying not to get cut off there. Far left lane, come up the connector. Westbound, westbound. Reeling him in here, coming up to the connector. Stand by. He's trying to take the connector. It's got a tent tag on it. Paul 5126-398. 126-398. Trying to swerve off. Stand by. Hit.
Speeds begin dropping, but danger doesn't. This phase can be even more unpredictable as desperation kicks in. Officers stay tight, watching for sudden turns, bailout attempts, or deadly mistakes. Then comes the decisive contact. A final coordinated "stop that" pins the suspect before he can recover. High pressure, limited space, zero room for hesitation.
Taking off again, Atlanta, taking off again. 20 West, Lee Street, 20 West coming up the Lee, stand by for another pit. Coming up the Lee, he's trying to avoid the pit, too much traffic, stand by. That unit coming up behind you, stand by. Stop fucking reaching! Get out! Get out! Get out! Hey! Get the fuck out! Get the fuck out! Please! Get the fuck out!
Appreciate y'all.
They were! You gotta pull over!
Hey, got a 32. Switch. Stand it back. I'm sorry.
Stand up. I will.
Snap.
What?
Hey, you want to put him in one shit? Yeah. Go around this way. Which way? This way. You don't mind? No, come on. All right, I'm trying to pull him up. I got you. Appreciate y'all.
Hey, we're trying to get there.
Back to that 1038.
My bad. Man, hey, go have a seat. We're gonna get to that. All right, bet.
Zero 1815, contact 39
Watch your foot. Stay outside.
10-4, you go to 1039. We're 1085. 1095.
You're a big guy. There you go. Hey, I'm a big guy. Yeah, I know.
Appreciate y'all. Well, I was trying to keep up with him in this slow Explorer.
We were coming next Explorer. What you talking about?
Yeah.
100%. Our Explorer goes 220. I'm just kidding. What's going on, sir?
What's up?
Where?
Huh? He did multiple lane changes with no signal. And then as we was going 20 Eastern Boulevard, he increased the speed. And then
From reckless lane changes to multiple pit attempts, this pursuit showcases how patience, communication, and tactical restraint can end chaos without greater tragedy. Officers adapted, avoided unnecessary risks, and brought the suspect in safely. Real pursuit work as strategy under pressure. For more intense real-world chase breakdowns, like, comment, and subscribe.
he got off on Boulevard at a high rate of speed and ran a red light. And then as soon as we got off on Boulevard, GSP was there.
Okay. And some more dope.
You got a switch on it?
Yeah. And some dope.
Good job, bro. My car, Just one on the pool car. What? Just one on the pool car. Okay. I'm going to have to get you on this on that tire. Damn.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Go look at his other room.
All right, so whoever started it, you know how this goes, right?
Hi!
Okay.
You mind if I take the DUI on it?
Yeah, sure.
I'll take the DUI,
Yeah.
you can have everything else.
Hey, I'm trying to make sure that this goes in the road. Come on. No. I mean, it might right now.
All right, gig, first gig.
Right here.
You have a bit? I did. You ain't damaged? I don't think so. Was it rough or good? Go fit it in the middle of the wall.
I'm a 795, I think, right?
Well, where'd you pit, Gig? Here, he recovered, and then somebody else fixed. Who pitted him into who put him into the light pole?
795.
That's a 567 then.
Yeah, so I got two pits, he got one.
Gig's got one.
Yeah, Gig's got one, I got two.
Yeah. All right.
We're good to move it?
He recovered, and I'm like, nah, dog, this is it.
Appreciate you. I'm gonna go ahead and get my state cell phone.
Well, congratulations, man. There you go. Make sure you put your gloves on.
Yep.
Go ahead, sit back. Sit back for me. I'll put all the shit in the bag. All right. Well, no, you're in custody. You can't talk to nobody right now.
Yep. Go ahead and put your legs in, man.
So I can't talk to her.
Nope, put your legs in.
All right, that's big. No, I'm not going. All right, I'm not going.
Brady's here. We're going to check him out.
Just throw this away. Oh, up there.
How much you been drinking tonight, man? You been drinking? You been smoking weed? I can smell it. You ain't smoke? You fool me, man. So look.
Appreciate your bag.
Bloodshot water is now odor marijuana. They'll charge you a DUI tonight too. Okay, you understand that? Matthews. Yeah.
What you got?
Listed for how old right now? 24. This is your.
It was my bad too.
It was my real state. Upon your submission, state administered chemical test on your blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substances for the purpose of
You
determining.
mind if I use some of your bags for the marijuana and the gun as well?
Yeah, I'm gonna do all that. I got you.
Appreciate you.
Suspended for a minimum period of 1 year.
Huh?
Your refusal to submit to urine testing may be offered into evidence against you at trial. If you submit to testing and the results indicate an alcohol concentration of 0.08 grams or more, Georgia driver's license to drive on the highways of this state may be suspended for a minimum period of 1 year. After first submitting the requested state test, you are entitled to additional chemical tests of your blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substances at your own expense and for qualified personnel of your own choosing. Will you submit a state administered chemical test of your blood? Yes or no?
Read a lot.
What I'm asking you for is a blood test, man. See what's in your system. Yeah, oh yeah, you damn sure. Yeah, there ain't no way around that.
Yeah, ain't no way around. Ain't no something around that.
So the only thing I'm asking you for right now is a blood test to show what's in your system. So I'm charging you a DUI. So I have to give you that opportunity. You can say yes or you can say no. That decision is up to you. Okay. So do you have the answer?
No.
Oh, get all that dope.
I did small. I did earlier. So, yeah.
Yes or no, the blood test.
Oh, no, I was going to say no.
Okay, perfect.
But like I said.
Hey, I see you and I was like,